See, on the table, what is there? I have a mobile here, and I have few chocolates here, and 2 books are there, right? On the table, what are the information present? Here is the 2 books, 1 Android mobile, and how many chocolates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 chocolates. This is the information about this table. On the table, the information is this. This is called information, right? Similarly, you take up fan here, right? How many fans are here? There are, in the classroom, there are 3 fans. This is the information. This is about the information. And how your topic is information processing, right? I have shown you the information here. How we are going to process it. So what is information processing? We'll try to understand. So learners will count and compare, imagine to process, right? That is what information processing. Learners will count, compare and imagine the information to process. This is what about the information processing. We will get some data, and with that we'll count, compare, imagine, and we'll process the data. The final result will be. This is what information processing. This information processing not only in the mathematics. Don't think that it is only for maths. Not like that. The same thing is for even science, social, everywhere. How we are getting the history? 1942, 1862. How? These are the information which we processed. Right? Tsunami, who is that? I remember that person name. He guessed Nostradamus, Wanga Baba, lots of people. They are guessing. It is not just like they guessing. Information, previously information processed, and they are telling that 2004 we will get a tsunami. In 2003 itself they are saying. Right? It's like that. The information they have processed, which we got from the past. Right? Similarly, now in the maths, so I am telling this is information processing in the science, social, everywhere it is. Right? We will go to the maths. In your book, see here, there are few colors they have given. Right? Red, pink, yellow, green. You have to process the information a different way. Right? Compare it a bit. And let me have the numbers. I will go for the numbers here. 5, 3, 7, 1. What are the possibilities is there, right, to process? Let us, even this also you can do it. A new problem I will solve. This also because it is solved in the book. See, they have taken up 5, then 3, 7, 1. Right? What happened? 53, 57, 51 they can make it. Then 35, 37, 31 they can make it. Like this they have processed the information. To try to understand this. They have collected the data. This is the data which we got, and they are processing this data. Similarly, you try to do this activity. With these 2 pants, they have 4 shirts. How are the way you can imagine and put the data? Okay. Next we will go and try to solve this problem. The thing is T car. Okay. A 3-letter. Create 3-letter words using the given word without T at the end. Okay. Without T at the end. You just guess it. I will do only few, not all. You have to do. Without T at the end. Let me write 8. Okay. Right? 8. And only these letters I have to go. That to 3. E is there, A is there, R is there, E is there. There is no T at the end. Right? Similarly, you carry on. Fine? Next. Create 5-letter words using the given letters only once. See, these are the given letters. Right? You have to create a 5-letter words. Here they have given anger, medal. Let me solve 2 more. So here, let me take angel we can have, right? Then eagle, E-A-G-L. Oh, eagle 2 times E comes, so I should not. Then dream, D-R-E-A-M. Dream I can go. E-A-M. Like this, you carry on other thing, right? Like this you carry on the other one. Next we will go for the exercise 6.1. So what we are doing is we are getting the information, we are getting the data and we are processing it. 972. Write all possible 3-digit numbers that can form without repeating these numbers. How many numbers can be formed? This is what the question. Let's start with this 972. These are the data we got it. Right. We have to process. Let me take the 9. So 972 I can make. 927. What else here? That's it. Then let me take the 7. 7, 9 2 is I can make it. Then 7, 2 9 I can make. What else I can do? I will take a 2. 2 9 7 I can put. 2 7 9 I can put. These are the possible ways. Any other way is it? No, it is not, because we have completed all them. So totally it is 6. How many ways we can write? We can write it in a 6. Now the next one is, you have to choose a tiffin and a drink from the given menu of a hotel. List the possible combinations. How many combinations are possible? The same way you try it. I have done it for 3. Right? Same way you try it. This you can do it very well. The next thing, Kavin has 4 cards. List down all 3-digit numbers possible with these cards without repetition. Right? So first you have to take 3-digit means only 3, any 3, right? So these 3 you take it first. 974, 947 like that. Then with that again 794, 749. Then you take a 4, first 497, 479 like that you can take. Then you have to go for this 3-digit numbers. 746 you take it and write. Then you write for 946 you can write. Then you can write for 697 you can write. So like this, all the possible way you have to write. Similarly, this 4-digit number also you have to write. Fine. This you try it in your home and send it. Next thing is the collect and represent data in the form of bar graph. So what is bar graph? We'll try to understand. Bar graph, what is that? Bar graph means there will be a bar. Let me solve that. See in your example. See here, coffee, tea, milk. Kalavati collected information about the favorite drinks of her schoolmates and represented the data as given below. Okay. So here numbers are there. How many? Number means how many is there. Here the item is written. The question is the number of people who drink coffee. From here you can check. See here the bar shows, this is a bar. It is not a line. It's a bar. This bar shows it ends at 40. So the answer for this is 40. Then the drink liked by least people. Which bar is very small? Check it. Here is a milk bar is very small. So least people is a milk you can say. The drink liked by most people, you check it where the bar is high. In tea it is high. So it is 70, right? So tea it is high. This is what the bar graph. So this is called bar graph. This here it is written already. I will solve this. The scorecard of players in a cricket match is given. Player name is Kannan, Rohit, Babu, Ramu. Score is 60, 40, 50, 10. See, draw a bar graph. Here I have drawn it. I have put a line here. Right. Here I have taken a score. And here I have taken the names of the people. Kannan, Rohit, Babu, Ramu. I have drawn a bar. It's just like that. So Kannan, what they have said? Kannan, they said 60. So straightly 60. From here I have started. Right. Then for Rohit, they said 40. So here it is 40. Then Babu, they said 50. So here it is 50. Then Ramu, it is 10. Fine. Okay. So this is a bar graph. This way you can do it. This all the graph, bar graph, pie graph, data, all the data only to represent. We are going to process it, for that we are using. Now next thing is representation of data in a pie chart. This is called pie chart. We will make that as a circle and inside the circle we will put it. Now, puri, idli, dosa. Right? How many people eat the puri? How many people eat the idli? How many people eat the dosa? That was written here. Similarly, you have to fill this. You try this in your home. Next. See, Malayalam 20 people are speaking, Telugu 10 people is speaking, English 20 people is speaking, Tamil spoken by 50, So you have to fill all this. Number of people who speak Tamil is 50, number of people who speak English is 20, number of people who speak Malayalam is, just now we have seen it is again 20, and Telugu people is 10. Like that you have to fill it from the pie chart. Right? Then activities, here you try it. You draw a pie chart. And 6.3 exercise. Write down the percentage of content in human body from the given pie chart. Let me solve this. Human content. Content and percentage. Right. So what is the content they have given? They have given protein. And they have given water and other. So from the pie chart, from this pie chart, we are going to write this, right? The content, protein content is 24%. Water content is 60%. Others are 16%. This is what they have in the human body here, right? So very next we will see the number of varieties of ice creams in an ice cream parlor is given below as a pie chart. Answer the following questions, right? See this: pista 30, chocolate 20, vanilla 50. Now we will try to answer this. How many varieties of ice creams are there here? We know it is 3. One is vanilla, pista, chocolate. So it is 3. Straightly you can write. Find the number of vanilla ice creams. How many is there? 50. Find the total number of chocolate and pista ice cream. So you have to add it, right? These two you have to add. That is also again 50. Find the total number of chocolate and pista, I said already. Then find the total number of ice creams. Totally it is 100. You have to add all together. Similarly, you try to solve this as well as this. So very simple, right? I told you already, maths is the best subject to study, right? You need not to mug up anything. Just everything is a processing. We have to process the data. It's like that. Maths is very simple subject. You try to do it very well, because we are going after this